Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get strawberry in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get strawberry, you need to have the strawberry seed. Then you can plant the seed in your garden. To get the seed, you can go to the Blanc's gardening store. Wait, let me show you the Blanc's location. Okay, Blanc's is on the garden street here. Okay, this is the Blanc's location, and you're going to talk to Blanc and go to the gardening store, and you can buy the strawberry seed right here, and you can get the seed after you reach level 6 in your gardening hobby. I'm going to show you my level right now guys, my current level. Okay, I'm level 6 in my gardening hobby. Okay, once you have level 6, you can unlock the strawberry seed from the Blanc's gardening store. Okay, then you can purchase the strawberry seed. Okay guys, and that's how we can get strawberry in the Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!